Good afternoon, Mr. Alessandro. Could you explain how works the technology of gas for transporting CNG?
Hi, Mariela. Thank you for interviewing us. Yes, our system is composed by the transport and the delivery processes. First, we compress the natural gas into our transport trailers. We take these trailers by road up to the delivery zone at the client, and then we do the unloading of the gas on the unloading specificated zone through the use of our delivery systems. We have two modalities, two ways to deliver this gas. The first one is at high pressure, which is applied for the vehicular clients, the gas stations, and we use our HPU, or hydraulic power unit. And the other method is the low pressure delivery, which goes for the industries and for the secondary delivery zones for gas pipeline delivery meshes. In this case, we use a RCU, which is a reduction and control unit for delivering.
Okay, Mr. Teichner. And what are the main differences compared to another systems of transportation of CNG?
Well, the two main factors that come to my mind when I'm thinking differential as to other technologies in the market are energetic efficiency and the safety. Our systems have an intrinsic safety system with redundancy. So we have most of the times we have two machines into one with 100% redundancy. And we have the energetic efficiency differential, which becomes a lower operational cost for our clients. In the vehicular system specifically, we have the HPU, which uses hydraulic pressure to transfer the gas at a high pressure from the transport modules, the transport trailers, to the vehicle at the end of the line. So the client has a minimal requirement of investments. We service the client, giving him the equipment, and this equipment has a very low energetic cost for operating. Also, this system will guarantee the delivery of 97% of what is transported in the trailers. This represents a smaller tariff to the client as well, because we unload most of the gas we transport. We have very little gas coming back to the compression plant. Also, in the case of the reduction units for industries, like I said, the equipment is 100% backed up, so there is a very high safety of operation. The equipment will work non-stop for years and years. Also, the heating is done with the same gas we use to deliver, so the operational cost for the client of receiving this gas, decompressing the gas, and supplying it into his secondary grid is very, very low as well. NEOgas is a company that has integrated solutions. We design, we build, and we operate our systems, our technology in our systems. And we're recently combining the logistics technology, the GPS logistics technology, to the bilateral telemetry in our equipment. So the operation is supervised from our base 24/7, and the safety of the whole operation is very, very high.
Okay. Mr. Teichner, we know that your company has a program called NEOgas. Could you tell us in what consists of?
Sure. We're introducing NEOgas now in Lima, Peru, and it consists of a system to deliver natural gas to bus terminals or truck terminals, whether they're on the natural gas pipeline or off the natural gas pipeline. It consists in a service, basically, where we put the equipment, the HPU and the trucks to supply the gas to these buses. And one of the advantages we offer is that all of this filling of the tanks is done at a moment where the trucks are being cleaned, or when they're being maintenance, being given maintenance in the garages. So there's no dead time on the trucks or the buses, and they do not have to leave to go to a gas station that would probably have a higher price due to the needs of this station to still have a margin. So we're working with different financial institutions in Peru in order not only to help make this project possible for each terminal, for each bus terminal, but also to help these companies convert their fleets to natural gas, or acquire new fleets that are natural gas dedicated, which would be the ideal.
Good. And in which markets is NEOgas operating nowadays?
Well, at the moment, NEOgas is operating in Brazil. We have a very large operation here in Brazil. We started our factory here, and our technology was developed in Brazil, and we have the largest market share in vehicular market, as well as in the industrial delivery market. In Brazil, we have over 80 projects running with our technology and with our operation. In Peru, we also have a large operation which is starting up at the moment. We have already a year and a half delivering gas, and the idea in Peru is to foresee and to bring forward all the pipeline infrastructure before the physical pipeline is actually delivered and installed. In other countries, we have some operations of our own and some operations that are not run by us, but with equipment built and designed by NEOgas. This will total up to 400 projects around the world.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Teichner, for this interview with the NGB Journal.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.